I decided to join this course because I was at a phase in my life where I was in a transformational period, some challenges in my personal life, and I've been practicing yoga for 20 years now, teaching yoga for 10 years, and I got to a point where I realized the meditation helps, the practice helps, but going to yoga retreats helps, but sometimes you just need to stop and sit down with all that life has given you, the good and the bad, and you just have to go through it and analyze, what are actually the things that you've learned with your parents, that you've learned from society, what actually is serving you, what are you still unconsciously using in your life that does not serve you. So for me, definitely in this course there was a really important unveiling of all the things that I still was using from my childhood and my education that I did not need. So yoga and meditation, yes, it's beautiful, it is a very healing and unveiling process, but sometimes you just need to go through the cognitive process of sitting down with what life gave you and understand and clear out all the junk. So definitely that was one of the best things that I experienced in this course, and I have never seen other courses give that to people. You can go to therapy, psychology, but that's just another field. And Luke and Susana, they make this so approachable, so easy. The group connection is also such a life-changing experience. We're strangers and then we connect so beautifulully, and we recommend this to anyone that feels they're stuck. Even though I've already found my career, I'm very fulfilled with my career, there's a point where you get stuck and you need to go back to the bases. You need to go back to the roots of your childhood and your culture and your education, and just take out the unnecessary weeds and let the real flowers really have space to blossom. So I'm very, very grateful for that.